Alright, umpisa na mga bay. Shout out tayo, shout out.
Oh, shout out mga Elizabeth El Bautista.
Alright. Tyson yung nanguna mga bay. Tyson in the house. Tyson on the ball. Hinila ni Tyson. Ayan o, hinila ni Tyson. Tyson hinila. Yun o. Power. Dito tayo likod. Uphill. Open. You know? Open.
Hold tight, chemicals never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Tatlong gahe. Sige sa to. Ralph. Yan yung pangatlo mga bay, si Ralph Inocencio. Unang-una si Tyson, pangalawa si Campbell Richard Nervera, and pangatlo ito si ito yung nag-champion sa road bike kahapon. Ito yung mga malalakas sa Mindanao mga bay. Mga malalakas. Or yung mga 20 to 29 years old. Ayan o. 20 to 29. Hinila ni Tyson mga bay. Hinila ni Tyson. Tyson, hinila. Hinila. pagahi ang tuhod. Oh. Gibira ni Tyson. Si Tyson. Power. Power. Tawag dito, 3 Mosquitoes. Di ba man? The 3 Mosquitoes in Mindanao Cycling. Yan o. Right. Paahon. Akyat pa more. Grabing ahon. Yung sumusuporta isang kapatid. Yan o. Diba? Maganda yung may sumusuporta. Ayan o. Natin dito Tyson, Kambal, Rexar, Nervira, and si... I forgot his name. Kapit na magbinunalay na ni. Sa yung pakalam. Magbinunalay na ni Ron. Alright. You know. Naubusan. Ayan, dalawa na lang. Magandang laban ito, magandang laban. Laban ng mga malalakas mga bay. Ayan o, naubusan si... Sino yun? Inosintis. Naubusan. Tingnan natin kung sino yung maubusan dito mga bay. Sino? Ayan o. Tyson and Rexar mga bay. Rexar and Tyson mga bay. Kaya i-bracket lang itong dalawang ito sa open minute. I-bracket lang ito. Yung Kambal siguro mga 20 years old. Tyson same pa rin. Anlihil ahon. Anlihil ahon. Ito na bukakan. Bukakan. lakas sa tungkan. Ang lakas ha. You know? Jinsan versus Hagunoy ni mga bay. Ubusan ng lakas Jinsan versus Hagunoy. Or Hagunoy versus Jinsan, ubusan ng lakas. Grabe. Natin sino yung malakas sa ensayo ngayon. Grabe. Anlihil ahon ito, anlihil ahon. Anlihil ahon. Doon na lang. Doon. Huwag mo karuta dire. Gitu. Hinila ng Jinsan. Hinila ng Jinsan ang Hagunoy. Hinila ng Jinsan ang Hagunoy. Pakyat, pakyat, adihahon. Grabe. Power ito, power. Ang lalakas ng mga batang ito. Ang lalakas. Ayan, malapit na. Kitang-kita ko na ang finish line mga bay. Tingnan natin kung mag-ano ito, mag-sprinting. Tingnan natin kung mag-uubusan ito ng lakas mga bay. Rimatihan. Tingnan natin kung magre-rimatihan ito mga bay. Kasi last competition hindi ito nagre-rimatihan. Tingnan natin kung magre-rimatihan dito mga bay. Tingnan natin. Ayan o. Tingnan natin. Ayan, malapit na. Konting post na lang. Ayan, parang naumisa na ni Tyson. Kambal. Tyson. Ang sarap. Kunti na lang. Ayan. Tingnan mo laban. Ang ganda na laban. Ang ganda. Hindi. Hindi kinaya ni Kambal mga bay. Grabe si Tyson. Woohoo. Grabe yan o. Grabe Tyson. Pangalawa si Kambal mga bay. Iyan. Ayan ah. Ato na yung pangutanon kung sa'y sikreto ane. Adara si ma'am yung sikreto. Sa'y sikreto. Isa rin gapon. Good luck. Ayan gimik ko. At least magandang laban, di ba? Nice kayo, nindot kayo. Shoutout tayo.
Shoutout Japon sa kong mama. Amping at Taiwan. I love you so much.
Ayan, good luck. Congrats. Shoutout ma'am.
Shoutout sa tanan.
Kang Kwanday, kinsa day shoutout.
Shoutout kay Rexar.
Congrats daw, diba? Okay, good luck sa mga susunod na laban. Very supportive. Ayan o. Kasi, asay sa good luck, na po may kuan.
Good luck sa tanan ng dula sa karong event. Then, congratulations.
Final message.
I love you so much.
Ayun o. Yee! Okay kayo. Tara Dol. Naunsa man to kanina Dol?
Kung ka nakamutin.
Ayan. Kayo. Okay kayo. Gandang laban. Nindot kayo. Diba? Sige, so sunod pohon. Sunod pohon. Iyan o. Grabe. Alright, next year na pohon. Alright. Dire.
Number lalaki.